Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where you'll see a walkthrough over the ICD scleral lens fitting tool. This tool was developed as Claire's MVP, so it means that it was developed before clairetool.com official platform, and that's why some steps and its look and feel are a bit different. This tool will be integrated as another premium web app in clairetool.com main platform. As you can see, there are two options. First, lens calculation, where eye care professionals can get technical support and calculate the first lens to order from a trial lens fitting. And the second option is for lens recalculation, where eye care professionals can benefit the same features of virtual technical support and lens calculation, but over an already customized lens. In step 1, user only needs to identify the trial lens that is going to be used, following the brand and manufacturer recommendations. And as you can see, depending on the input data, some educational tips will pop up to guide the professional during the fitting process. After selecting the first trial lens, the tool will automatically identify its parameters. Then, a couple of questions are made to understand which device will be used to analyze the fitting, OCT or slit lamp, as well the lens wearing time during this trial. Once again, depending on the selected option, some educational tips will pop up. If the OCT device is selected, eye care professionals just need to input in step 2 the volt in ectasia's apex, volt over limbus in the shallowest quadrant, and select one of the 3 OCT example images that could best represent the observed lens edge lift during the current fitting. If eye care professionals rather use a slit lamp for scleral lens fitting analysis, this same step 2 will be adapted to typical slit lamp observations like the lens volt assessing by comparing with the lens thickness, if there is any limbal bearing, over 180 degrees extension, less than 180 degrees extension, or no bearing, if it disappears when looking to the opposite side, yes or not, and if that bearing generates corneal staining over limbus or not. To finish this step 2, you just need to select one of the 3 example images that could best represent the observed lens edge lift during the current lens fitting. In step 3, this tool will analyze if the patient needs a toric lens or if the used lens toricity is enough, by asking how is the observed conjunctival impingement, if it is observed any fluorescein or lysamine green leaking beneath the lens, and how stable are the lens engraved marks. Finally, in step 4, before lens calculation, eye care professionals just need to input the over-refraction, lens stabilization axis, and keratometry or topography readings over the lens on eye. After pressing the Calculate Lens button, this tool will provide some comments regarding the fitting final analysis, and will recommend the adequate parameters adjustment as well in order to troubleshoot the fitting. Each zone will be analyzed if it is insufficient, adequate, or excessive. And if needed, the tool will provide the amount of adjustment and in which direction. Eye care professionals can use the recommended values, or if they feel comfortable as expert fitters, they can decide which final adjustment they rather use to improve the fitting outcomes. There is a specific field that will show the sag difference between the trial lens and the currently designed one to guide eye care professionals regarding the volt assessing. And that's it. An ICD scleral lens is already assessed and ready to be ordered. A PDF document will be issued and you can send it to your supplier. Regarding the second option, lens recalculation, the procedure will be exactly the same. However, all the analysis and calculations will be performed over an already customized lens to ensure that the fitting is okay, or if it needs any recalculation and parameters adjustment. Imagine how challenging it can be to recalculate a new lens when patient is using a toric lens that is rotated, that is flexing, and needs a toric over-refraction. Tough, huh? This tool will calculate all this for you within a click. As you can see, through this tool, eye care professionals will get technical support over all the lenses patient might need and will benefit from an important reduction of lens changes. Hope this video has helped you to clearly understand the high potential of providing virtual technical support to eye care professionals that will be able to manage by themselves the vast majority of troubleshooting challenges. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.